Maybe the time for living is now. Maybe it's tomorrow. Maybe it's the day after Thursday, whenever I feel like breathing again because you took my breath away the moment that I saw you and I don't know where you hid it. Maybe it's behind the maple tree in your backyard, or underneath the brock that you used to prop your door open, or maybe it's wherever wherever you hid my left sock after the first night that we slept together. Yeah, I know it was you. Don't ever try to say that I lost it, because those were my favorite pair of socks. Just like you, have become a favorite shirt to wrap around myself at night. Because I get cold every time that you steal the covers. You know, the more I think about it, the more I come to the conclusion that you're a kleptomaniac. And if you're not careful, people may start to come after you with weapons. You make me want a dart gun, so that I could blow out the sun and say, look at how your eyes sparkle in the starlight. Because I can't wait until night. And then of course you'll ruin it and say, I can't see my own eyes. And I'll say, look, I just killed the sun for you. And you'll say, who? Jesus? And I won't have a response. Which I often don't have when it comes to you. Because you steal those too. Traces of the goo left behind by your sticky fingers is everywhere. And I don't really want to wipe it away. Partly because it's kind of sentimental in a weird way, but mostly because I feel as if it would help the police find your fingerprints. Even though it would be sort of odd having all of that black powder everywhere from my heart to my head. So maybe I'll just lie back here with you instead and listen to the sounds of you breathing. Even though my pillow was missing.